The Bihar Regiment is being celebrated by citizens for its fearless counterattack upon the Chinese troops in Galwan Valley. This is not the first time that the Bihar Regiment is being celebrated for its bravery and courage. They have done this many times before. Let's see a glimpse of how the Bihar Regiment was formed and its earlier achievements that India continues to take pride in. The Bihar Regimental Center is located in the oldest cantonment of India at Danapur Cantonment in Patna. The recruitment of Bihari soldiers started at the time of British East India Company when the Bengal Native Infantry was raised. The Bihari soldiers in that force were awarded a number of honors for their glorious performance. Because of their valor and strength, Biharis were much in demand by the East India Company. In fact, when the 34th Sepoy Battalion was formed during the tenure of Lord Robert Clive in 1758, all the soldiers were recruited entirely from the Bhojpur district of Bihar. During the First War of Independence in 1857, these soldiers were one of the first ones to revolt against greased cartridges and preferred being killed over losing their faith. Freedom fighters like Babu Kunwar Singh and Birsa Munda emerged as heroes in the fight against the British rule. Feeling threatened by the Bihari soldiers, the British dissolved all 18 Bihar battalions and stopped recruiting Biharis after that. Next, it was during the Second World War that the soldiers from Bihar were once again recruited. Post-independence, the Bihar battalion fought fearlessly at the time of Pakistani aggression in the Kashmir Valley during 1948-49. In the Indo-Pak War of 1965, 7 Bihar captured Bidori, paving the way for the capture of Haji Pir Pass. In the 1971 Bangladesh Liberation War, 10 Bihar was awarded for its heroic action in the Battle of Akhora. 11 Bihar was an integral part of the task force that launched a seaborne expedition at Cox's Bazar to prevent Pakistani troops from escaping into Burma. In the Kargil War, 1 Bihar was responsible for the recapture of Jubar Hill and Tharu. For its valor, the unit was awarded a total of 26 gallantry awards. The regiment has also served with distinction in various counter-insurgency operations and has also been deployed as a part of the UN peacekeeping mission since 1993. As we continue to celebrate the Indian soldiers for their valor and bravery, you stay tuned to us and keep watching Swarajya.